and excessive use of force, Davao, I have to agree, is under siege, Eric. Dapat ito malaman at maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan. Why would almost 2 battalions of Special Action Forces from different PNP units in different regions, and there were some information na meron ding mga AFP Special Forces
pada mga drone.
So, kung ayang drone na yan, yung UAV na yan ay lumilipad sa airspace ng Davao, there is a high probability na nandyan ang mga Amerikanong sundalo na nag-ooperate niyan. And which ties again to the images that I saw posted by Boss Jay Sonsa of apparently US troops. And these are not just ordinary troops.
Yes.
Yung ordinary serviceman ng Amerika, hindi mo mapapansin yung laki ng katawan, yung mga ano. These are images of people that I think are from either the Green Beret or the US Navy SEAL.
Ngunit para sa dating kalihim ng Department of National Defense na si Norberto Gonzales, na kaya maraming mga nakauniforme na umaaligid sa Davao City at kung bakit iniisa-isa ang mga kaibigan at kaalyado ng dating Pangulo, ito'y dahil nais pabagsakin ng Marcos administration ang mga Duterte.